Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to pay your Barclays credit card bill online. Since I am in the US, this video is geared towards Barclays credit card holders in the United States. Log in with your Barclays credit card user ID and password. Once you are logged in, you will see several options at the top of the screen. Click on the option which says Payments. Once you click on Payments, you will see three options from the drop-down list: Make a Payment, Repeat Payments, and Payment Activity. Click on Make a Payment. Under Make a Payment, you will see three sections: Select Amount, Select Payment Date, and Select Account. Under the Select Amount section, you will be shown the minimum payment due, your statement balance, and then your current balance. You also have an option to enter a custom amount. In this example, I would like to pay the statement balance, so I am going to select the option which says Statement Balance. Under the second section, which is for the payment date details, you will be shown the current date and your due date. You could also enter a custom date. In this example, I am going to select today's date. Under the third section, which is Account Selection, you will be shown your bank accounts linked to your Barclays credit card account. Click on the bank account you want to use for this transaction. Once you have entered all the necessary details, click on Review and Verify at the bottom of the screen. Once you click on Review and Verify, you will see the transaction details you have entered for the payment you are about to make. You can edit your payment details should you want to change something from the details you have entered. Once you have reviewed the payment details and if everything looks good, click on Make a Payment. Once you click on Make a Payment, you will see your payment confirmation on the screen. Alright, hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website, northvilletech.com, for great tech articles.